Jake. Oh my gosh, long time no see.
Emma, wow, it's been ages. Have you been?
Pretty good. Just, surviving the daily grind. Work's been nonstop lately.
Oh, tell me about it. Same here. Feels like all I do is work, drink coffee, and complain about work.
I feel you. That's literally me every single day.
You still working at that marketing company?
Yeah, same place. We've got a big project coming up, so everyone's stressed out. How about you?
Still freelancing. It's nice to be my own boss, but man, sometimes it's chaos. No schedule, no balance.
Ooh, I can imagine. At least you can work from anywhere, though. That's a dream.
True, but then I end up working everywhere, even at cafes like this one.
I can see that. You and your laptop are inseparable.
By the way, you sound different. Like, your English sounds so natural these days, almost native.
Really? Thanks. I've been practicing a lot, trying to focus on how native speakers actually talk.
Oh yeah? Like, what kind of practice?
Well, you know how in school they tell us to pronounce every word perfectly? I realized natives don't really do that. They link words together.
Ah, yeah. Like, do you want to becomes do you wanna?
Exactly. Or what are you doing becomes what you do it.
Right. When I first came here, I couldn't understand people because they spoke so fast. But later I realized they weren't fast. They were just connecting everything.
Yes, that's the secret. It's not about speed, it's about rhythm.
So it's kind of like music.
Totally. English has rhythm. You stress some words and soften others. Like, I was gonna call you, not I was gonna call you. See the difference?
Yeah, it sounds more natural, more emotional.
And honestly, I just started copying what I hear. Movies, podcasts, YouTube, anything. I repeat the lines out loud.
Oh, like shadowing.
Exactly. I repeat after them, even if I sound silly. That's how you train your mouth to move like a native speaker's does.
So you're telling me the secret is talk to yourself a lot?
Pretty much. I talk to myself all the time, in English, of course. It works.
I might try that, though my neighbors might think I've lost it.
Let them think that. Fluency's worth it.
You know what else I noticed? Native speakers use a lot of filler words, like I mean, kinda, sort of.
Oh yes, those are gold. They make your speech sound natural, not robotic.
So instead of saying, I am very tired, you could say, I'm kinda tired, right?
Exactly. Or, I was gonna go, but I changed my mind.
Snap. Got it. It sounds relaxed, like how people actually talk.
Yup. Fluency isn't about sounding perfect. It's about sounding comfortable.
Yeah, I used to be scared of making mistakes, but now I'm realizing it's okay.
Exactly. Native speakers make mistakes all the time, too. They just keep talking confidently.
You know, when we listen to us right now, it actually feels like a real American-style conversation.
That's because it is. Casual, easygoing, full of small talk.
Right. Like, we didn't even say, hello, how are you properly. We just jumped straight into what's up.
Yep, that's natural speech for you. Quick, friendly, and warm.
So basically, to sound like a native, I should stop trying to sound like a textbook.
Exactly. Nobody says, hello, how are you doing this fine afternoon? Unless it's in a movie from the 1800s.
Yeah, I'll skip that one then.
Good call. Just be natural. That's what matters.
You know what else I noticed? Native speakers use a lot of rhythm. Like when you said, you know how it is, it flowed so smoothly.
Yeah, try saying it. You know how it is.
You know how it is.
Too slow. Loosen up your mouth. Let it flow. You know how it is.
You know how it is.
Perfect. That's it.
Hey, that does sound more natural.
Right? Small changes like that make a big difference.
Okay, so to recap, linking words, using contractions, adding filler words, and relaxing your speech.
You got it. And one more thing. Don't be afraid of your accent. Just focus on clarity and rhythm.
That's actually really good advice.
Thanks. So, want to grab another coffee and practice some more natural phrases?
Sure, but this round's on me.
Deal. You're practicing generosity too. So, here's the thing, Jake. If you really want to sound native, you have to stop speaking like a textbook.
Like a textbook?
You mean too proper?
Exactly. You sound clear, but too perfect. Real English isn't perfect. It's connected. It flows.
Okay, so what does that mean exactly?
It means you link your words. You don't say them separately. Like, instead of do you want to, you say do you wanna.
Do you wanna?
Yeah, that's it. Or what are you doing becomes what are you doing?
What are you doing? Wow, that sounds totally different.
Right? It's how people actually talk in daily life. It sounds smoother, more natural.
So it's not wrong to say, do you want to, but it sounds a bit stiff.
Exactly. You can use it in formal situations, but when you're chatting with friends, you want to sound relaxed.
So give me more examples. I need to practice this.
Okay, let's play a quick game. I'll say the textbook version, and you try to say it like a native.
Deal.
I am going to call you later.
I'm gonna call you later.
Perfect. Next one. Do you want to get lunch?
Do you want to get lunch?
Nice. And I have got to go.
I've gotta go.
Wow, look at you. You sound totally natural already.
It feels weird though, like I'm skipping words.
I know, but that's the secret. English is full of shortcuts. Native speakers use them without thinking.
So it's like instead of trying to say every word perfectly, I should make it sound connected.
Exactly. It's not about pronunciation, it's about rhythm. Listen, what are you doing turns into what are you doing? How did you do it is how'd you do it? And when did you get here becomes when'd you get here?
When'd you get here? That's so short.
I know, but it's super common. Try saying it fast. When'd you get here?
When'd you get here?
Oh, wow. It really rolls off the tongue.
Right? That's the flow you want.
Okay, but what about want to? I hear wanna all the time.
Yeah, that's another big one. Instead of I want to learn English, say I want to learn English.
I wanna sound like a native.
That's the spirit. And instead of I'm going to, say I'm gonna.
I'm gonna practice every day.
Yes! You sound more confident already.
I'm gonna get better.
There you go. Now you're sounding fluent.
You know, this is funny. When I first learned English, my teacher told me to avoid slang.
That's because teachers focus on clarity. But once you know the rules, it's okay to bend them.
So fluency means sounding comfortable, not perfect.
Exactly. Fluency is confidence, not grammar.
I like that. Fluency is confidence.
That should be on a t-shirt.
Okay, I've got another one. What do you think?
Easy. What do you think?
What do you think? Try it fast. What do you think? Yeah, that's smooth.
See? You're already linking words naturally.
So if I said, what do you want to do later? That'd be, what do you want to do later?
Bingo! That's exactly how native speakers say it.
This is actually fun. It feels like unlocking secret codes.
Yeah, the secret code of real English.
I guess I need to listen more, like movies and podcasts.
Totally. When you listen, focus on how words blend. Try shadowing. Repeat exactly what they say, even if you don't understand every word.
That's a good advice. I'll try it tonight.
Good. And don't be afraid to sound silly. That's how you improve.
Yeah, that's the hardest part, not feeling embarrassed.
I get it, but remember, nobody's judging you. Every native speaker loves when someone tries to sound natural.
So what's next after linking and contractions?
Next, we'll talk about intonation, how your voice goes up and down. That's what gives English its emotion and energy.
Like when you say, really? And your voice rises?
Exactly. Or when you end a story and your tone drops to sound complete.
That sounds interesting.
Trust me, it makes a huge difference. But first, we might need a third coffee.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna need one to stay awake.
See, you're using it already. So tell me, Jake, what are you up to this weekend?
Not much, really. I'm probably going to stay home and relax.
Oh, you're going to stay home? That sounds nice. What are you going to do?
Honestly, I might just chill, binge a show, maybe cook something if I'm not too lazy.
That's the perfect weekend plan. No pressure, no schedule.
Exactly. I've been so busy lately, I just need some time to do nothing.
Yeah, I feel that. Sometimes doing nothing is exactly what you need.
What about you? Any fun plans?
I'm going to hang out with a few friends on Saturday. We might grab dinner and go for a walk by the river.
Nice. That sounds relaxing.
Yeah, it's been ages since we caught up. Everyone's just busy, you know?
Oh, yeah, totally. Life gets crazy.
Right? Like, we're all working, studying, running around. Then the weekend comes and we're too tired to enjoy it.
That's so true. Weekends used to feel long when we were kids. Now they're like 5 minutes.
Exactly. Friday night, blink, it's Monday morning.
I know. I hate that.
You know what's funny? You just said gonna without even realizing it.
Wait, I did?
Yup, you said I'm gonna stay home. That's a contraction. Short for going to.
Oh, wow. I didn't even think about it.
That's how you know it's becoming natural. You're not forcing it, it's just flowing.
That's kind of cool.
See, you just said kinda too.
Seriously?
Yup. Kinda means kind of. It's super common in casual speech.
Wow. I guess I'm turning into a native already.
You're getting there.
So what other words do natives shorten like that?
Oh, tons. Like got to becomes gotta. I've gotta go. You've gotta see this movie.
Right. I hear that all the time in movies.
Exactly. Or want to becomes wanna. Like, I wanna travel. Or do you wanna come with me?
And going to becomes gonna.
You got it. These little shortcuts make your English sound natural, not formal or stiff.
You know, this kind of practice is fun. It feels real, not like a grammar lesson.
That's the best way to learn. When it feels like a real conversation, you remember it naturally.
True. It's like muscle memory for your mouth.
Exactly. You train your tongue to move the way natives speak.
You make it sound like English is a sport.
In a way, it is. The more you practice, the stronger you get.
So let's test my fluency. Ask me something random, like a real chat.
Okay, challenge accepted. What do you usually do on Sunday mornings?
Sunday mornings, I usually sleep in. I am not a morning person.
Same here. I kind of need my lazy Sundays.
Exactly. I make coffee, maybe cook pancakes if I'm not too tired.
Ooh, pancakes. You're speaking my language.
Yeah, food always gets people's attention.
True that. So, what are you going to cook next time I come over?
Depends. Are you bringing dessert?
Deal. I'll bring dessert if you make coffee.
Perfect. Sounds like a plan.
See, that's how everyday conversation flows. Quick, connected, natural.
Yeah, I noticed we don't pause much. Everything just blends together.
Exactly. That's linking in action. The more you do it, the more native you sound.
You know what? I'm really enjoying this practice.
Me too. Talking like this feels alive, not like a lesson, but like real life. Okay, last topic of the day. Emotions.
Emotions? You mean like crying in English?
Not exactly. I mean how native speakers sound emotional. The little words and phrases they use to express feelings.
Oh, like I'm happy, I'm sad.
That's the textbook version. Real English has flavor. Like, that's awesome. Oh, that sucks. Or for sure.
Yeah, I hear that all the time in shows. People say that sucks, even when it's not about a vacuum cleaner.
Exactly. It's just a casual way to say, that's bad or that's unfortunate.
So what's another one?
Like when someone tells you good news, you can say, no way.
But no way sounds negative, right?
Not here. When you say it with excitement, no way, really? It means wow or that's amazing.
Oh, tone matters.
Always. Intonation changes everything. Same words, different feeling.
That's tricky but cool.
Totally. And when you agree with someone, Instead of saying, yes, I agree, you can say, for sure, or definitely.
For sure. Yeah, that sounds really natural.
Right? It's short, friendly, and confident.
What about when someone tells you something sad, like, I lost my job?
Good question. You could say, oh no, I'm so sorry. Or more casually, oh, that sucks, or that's rough.
That's rough. I like that one. Sounds sympathetic but natural.
Exactly. It's caring but not too formal.
What if I want to sound encouraging?
You can say, you got this. Hang in there, or you'll be fine.
You got this. That's my favorite.
Yeah, that one's positive and motivating, very common in American English.
You know, this is the stuff you never learn in textbooks.
I know, right? Textbooks don't teach real life. They don't show the emotion behind words.
Like, nobody says, I am disappointed in real life. They just go, ugh, that's so annoying.
Exactly. Ugh is the universal sound of frustration.
Or phew for relief.
Yes, and aw for something cute.
It's like emotional sound effects.
That's one way to put it. But seriously, those small sounds make your English feel alive.
So it's not just vocabulary, it's attitude.
Exactly. The way you react shows your personality. Try this. I'll tell you a few short stories, and you respond naturally. Ready?
Let's do it.
Okay. My boss just gave me a week off for free.
No way, that's awesome.
Perfect. Next one. I spilled coffee all over my laptop.
Ugh, that sucks.
Yes. And last one. I'm nervous about my English exam tomorrow.
You got this, for sure.
Smiling. Jake, you're officially fluent in emotions.
Finally, the emotional upgrade.
Seriously, though, this is what makes your English sound natural. Your reactions, tone, and rhythm.
Yeah, it's like language plus emotion equals connection.
Exactly. That's what native speakers do. They feel their words.
I like that. It's more human.
Totally. And the more you listen, the more you'll pick it up. How people express excitement, frustration, surprise, all of it.
Guess I've got homework now. Listen, react, repeat.
Lapsing Emmy. That's the best kind of homework.
Laughs Jake. Thanks, Emma. You're like my emotional English coach.
Laughs Emma. I'll take that title proudly.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to stay with 5 Second English for more fun